This is part 2 of the detail video showing you how the lift works and how everything stows. So we hook the seat belt up right here, put it right there, raise and tighten just enough so that you got some tension on the belt. And again, this is not meant to be a tie down, it's simply meant to keep it from moving around too much when the vehicle's in motion. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the vehicle that you want, in the way that you want, and in the make and model. If you would like to learn more about our company and what our philosophy is, check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter. You can follow us at @accessun. Instagram is Access Unlimited, one word. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. On YouTube, we have nearly 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us at our website at www.accessunlimited.com or call us at 1-607-669-4822. And evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you like the Honda Odyssey PIR Mount, and we look forward to hearing from you very soon. Have a great day.